Let's get started with module number 3. We are going to start really diving into some of the study designs. So we're going to look at strengths and weaknesses of controlled trials. We're going to look at randomization and explore some of the ethical issues involved in experimental studies. So as we move forward, here's our to-do list. We're going to do our discussion board for the module. Also take a look at chapters 4 and chapters 8 and continue to work on those upcoming assignments. So keep in mind that all this content again is building, so make notes on the rubrics. You can access those rubrics in the syllabus, rubrics, and calendar section of the course, and take a look at that study critique and start taking notes of some information that will be helpful to you as you do your critique. We have the PowerPoint overviews of the textbook, and again we have some information that will help you into the different types of studies, and again these are really valuable resources for you that will help explain some relatively complex terms and themes within some of the studies in a very easy to understand way. So just know that that is here as well, and your discussion board is discussion board number 3. So again, reserve your post until Monday when our module starts. And we are going to dive into the types of studies. So we're going to separate things out so we can divide and conquer and address several different types of studies and some nuances about the particular studies that will help you as you're doing your critique. So again, we're building. So if you have any questions or concerns, please let me know, and I look forward to the discussions and speaking with you through the discussion boards.